Hi everyone, it's Ellen here. Today I will make a traditional and delightful Asian dessert. The dish is called mango sago, which originates from Hong Kong, I suppose. It's sweet, tangy and creamy, a really refreshing summer treat that you would want all year long. This recipe is convenient for serving a crowd as it can be prepped ahead of time. It's a great sweet note to add to any barbecue party. You have to try this one. Let's begin.
Ellen's recipes.
So to start with, we're gonna cook the tapioca pearls. It could be tricky to cook tapioca pearls. If you leave the heat on, you will need to stand by and stir constantly, and it could take, forever. I have a really great trick to cook these cute little pearls with very little effort and energy. In a medium saucepan over medium heat, bring 3 cups of water to a boil, then add 80 grams of tapioca pearls and cook, stirring regularly for about 1 minute. Then turn off the heat and cover the lid. Let the tapioca pearls stand in the hot water for about 20 minutes. You will see that the pearls turn half translucent, and bring it to a boil again, and then cover and let it for another 10 minutes. And voila! They have turned completely translucent, meaning they are cooked through. In a colander, drain and rinse the cooked sago under cold running water to remove the excess starch. Then next, we're gonna choose really ripe mangoes. Peel and cut away the chubby cheeks. Cut the cheeks into cubes. And save the sides and the remaining flesh in a bowl. Then in a blender or food processor, just combine the mango flesh, not the cube ones, and blend until smooth with about 100 ml of water. Next, in a small saucepan, combine 1 cup of water with 3 tablespoons of sugar and bring to a boil. In a small bowl, dissolve a tablespoon of tapioca or cornstarch with a tablespoon of water and stir gently and stirring to thicken the syrup. Take off the heat and set aside. It's time to just combine everything. Combine the thickened syrup with the milk, 400 ml of mango juice, and the tapioca pearls. There you have it, our really refreshing dessert. You have to chill this in the refrigerator until it's ready to serve. It will taste so much better. To serve, you just divide the mango sago into serving bowls or glasses. And I would really love to add another layer of flavor and texture by, separating the pomelo sections and membranes and then sprinkle them in. That contrast of textures and flavor is such a dream. I hope you're gonna give this recipe a try. It's so easy to make, and because mangoes are in season, this is just a dream dessert. So please share with me a photo on Instagram if you give it a try, and let me know what you think. Please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also click on the bell button to receive notification when my next video comes out. Thank you for watching. Bye bye!